Hi guys, and welcome by a brand new video. Today I'm actually in a Bitcoin long at the moment. As you can see, I'm currently actually I'm in a Bitcoin long. I'm quickly looking on my phone because actually this one is pumping at the moment of the start of the recording. A bit before it, I saw it was pumping. I opened it, like you can see, 115,230. So literally I opened it here. I saw like a lot of I took 3 trades, by the way, in the past, which went all accordingly to the plan. And now I'm actually not shorting anymore. I'm actually longing. Why? Because like you can see, we have this trend line and it broke a bit down, but now it's actually recovering good. And in my opinion, we can go to these 4-hour EMAs and also aligning with the daily EMA. So my first TP would actually be, if we manage to break through this one, obviously, my first TP would be actually the daily EMA, which is the 116,400. Let me check because I did it. A partial 116,340, where I take like partials. I'm sorry, like 50% out. That's my first TP, and my next full TP is actually the 4-hour, which aligned perfectly also with this big candle. That was actually the breakdown for a big short. Obviously, I didn't took that one, but still I took this. But actually, what is very interesting right now, if we can manage to break to this this daily EMA and also the 4-hour EMA on this, because the 4-hour EMA, the first one that we need to break, and also the which aligns with the daily EMA, if we manage to break through this one, then honestly this is a magnet for a full TP on this long. Also, I took a bit an Ethereum long. On, let me see, my entrance price was 4,302, so exactly where I put it, indeed, like here. It was also like recovering quite well, not like a very impulsive move up like Bitcoin does right now, but still, in my opinion, we can see a squeeze, because we actually took all the liquidation down from Bitcoin, but also on Ethereum on the lower time frames. So in my opinion, we can literally move up to the 4-hour EMA also, which is around the 4,400, I would say the 4,413 area. I think I will take a full profit on 4,410, like you can see, which will be a significant profit of 306, which is actually perfect with the size I put in. Also, if you can see, my full position will be like 1,143, but actually I take already 50% out on this 116,400 level. So actually that will be like a trade of, I think, $600-700 dollars. So honestly, we are managing to hopefully break this 50-minute EMA, and this will actually go immediately to my TP1. A lot of people are at the moment very bearish, and honestly, I was actually bearish on the right moments at the moment. For now, the market is actually going, in my opinion, down in the next few weeks. I can see like maybe like the end of August, but also September, maybe like a downtrend where we even go to 112k and even go lower to 110k. And I don't even rule out that we even go like retesting the weekly EMA, which is around the 100k level. Actually, around this level, in my opinion, there can be like a little flash crash. Why? Because like you can see, we went constantly up, and actually we have like we go like up, like you can see here. I drew it actually, this great trend line, but like you can see on the RSI, we are actually like making, let me check if I can change that. We are actually making a bearish divergence. This on the weekly, but not only on the weekly, we are also doing that actually on the daily, like you can see. So we have this, it's like up that we go, but since then we are actually on the RSI. We are going down. So actually this is like a bearish divergence. And that's why I'm saying, like, for now, I'm just scalping, scalp longs, scalp shorts. I don't care, honestly. So I'm looking to even scalp short again when we would, I say if we would, it's not like even, yeah, it's not like even sure. Obviously it's crypto, nothing is sure in this market, but still, if we would manage to even go for this, yeah, this move up, in my opinion, on the shorter time frames, then honestly, I think I'm going, if the, yeah, if there is not a lot of strength, then I will go again for a bit of a short. Honestly, I'm gonna be transparent with you guys. I'm gonna check my position history, or first let me check. I did a position, I took it fully out. I did it on CRV today. In the morning, I saw like a scalp long position, and I took my full TP, or not my full TP, I took 30% partials on this one. Normally, I would let it run here, but I didn't do that. I took it out here because I was working, and honestly, I didn't want to risk it, that it went down again to my break-even level. So this was a nice, super nice short, super nice long trade. I can show that to you guys. Let me quickly check, because this was still from the last video. Let me check, the 18th of August. And then indeed, like you can see, I also took a TAO, yeah, long position, but it actually went for my stop loss, so sadly, because it was actually a good trade, honestly. But I took indeed this position. Profit and loss was 182 today already. So honestly, if my Bitcoin long goes well, also my Ethereum long, then this is a very profitable day. Like you can see at the moment of speaking, Bitcoin is actually pumping quite well. Is already up like for 20%, $500 in profit. Also Ethereum is already up 107% up. So this is quite a nice day for right now. I'm almost yeah, gonna check them for short positions, but I will update you on that, guys. And by the way, why did I took this this position on CRV? There is not a lot of strength at the moment in the market, I would say, especially on these altcoins like CRV and stuff. Like you can see it on the 50-minute, but also on the 4-hour, there is a lot of downtrend, first of all, and also like a lot of consolidation, not going up. So yeah, honestly, this is like a big thing for me, like a big red flag to go like for swing longs. No, actually, I just go for a quick scalp long, and I would like to prefer here like a short. Actually, if the market allows it, I would short this one. Although I need to check if Bitcoin and Ethereum then don't have the strength for yeah, that this short would like squeeze up, actually. So that's a very important one. But thank you guys for watching. I will keep you guys up to date if I took full TP on these two longs, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Hi guys, as you can see, I'm quickly showing my long positions. Like you can see, they are not open anymore. I have no open positions anymore, and I'm just yeah, actually I closed them in a full profit, actually on a perfect closing price of $16,000, and also Ethereum 4,338, which is in total a big profit of like above 400 profit and loss. Why did I close it? Because actually the EMA is acting as a resistance on the 50-minute, and we are not able to break it at the moment. So I'm not risking it. And like you can see, we are in a downtrend pattern again, or at least we are making obviously like a higher high, higher low, but still I'm not being too greedy on my profits at the moment, because I'm having more like a bearish momentum at the moment, and this is just like a scallop long. So actually I'm not risking too much then. And also on Ethereum, like you can see, I took the profit around 4,338 also, yeah, around this area indeed, where it then dropped significant. So actually this is a good trade that I did, and I'm very happy with the $400+. So keep a like, yeah, do a like on my video if you want, subscribe, and also even share it or whatever you want, and just have a nice day. Goodbye.